What's up, YouTube? You joined me today at home, and it's been a few weeks since I've washed the Lyriq-V, and so today we're going to do a quick wash on it to try to get all of this pollen, this South Georgia pollen and bugs and all that stuff off of it, and see if I can get it back to showroom condition. So here's the Lyriq-V. As you can see, it's got all kind of bugs and grime, and you can get in and you can see the pollen and everything from here in South Georgia, and it's been in the garage for most of the time. But yeah, it definitely needs a good washing. You can see the tires there, and you can see how the brake dust and all that stuff, and it's just caked up in there. I don't go on the dirt roads, but as you can see, so do a quick walk around of the vehicle and see what it looks like. So you can see a little bit more there, right? See what it looks like up top, all right? And so we're gonna do a good detail, a good cleaning, good washing to get her ready for the weekend. No special plans, but I mean, you know, we can't have my baby looking, you know, all jacked up for the weekend. And by the way, his name is Lazarus. And is for those of you who know, Lazarus was a friend of God's, a friend of Jesus. And he sat at the table and all that good stuff. And so, yeah, so we're about to wash up Lazarus, and we'll catch you on the flip side. All right, so let's take a look at the stuff that we're gonna use to do this wash. First thing, we've got the iron particle remover. We're going to use that on the tires. After we do that, then we've got the Magnora's wheel and tire cleaner. From there, we're going to move on to the wash and wax, which is also Magnora's. We've got the finishing stuff, which is our Black Magic tire wax. Go along with the Diablo wheel cleaner. We've got our foam cannon. There we have our Chemical Guys nice and shine trim coat for the tires, and we're going to be washing this today with the Extreme Body Wash and Wax from Chemical Guys. We're going to be using the multiple rag technique. We're going to be using one bucket with 5 rags, and then there's our bucket, and then our water source and power source is the Bauer pressure washer. So let's pull the Lyriq-V inside and let's get to work. All right, so our first step, we're going to use our Suds Lab iron remover, and we're gonna go ahead and rinse the wheels down and then spray this on and let it actually go ahead and do the wheels. And so what the instructions tells us to do is to wet the tires, make sure your wheels are cool. Let it sit no more than 30 to 60 seconds, and then you'll take your brush and kind of agitate it a little bit. So let's get that started. So it's been roughly about a minute. And if you see on the ground there, you can see the purple residue that's coming off the wheels and tires. That's bringing all the iron off. So I'm going to scrub here. And agitate. Get it real good before it dries. All right, so that's that one. Go ahead and do all 4 tires, and then we'll be back with you. Okay, now that we've got the tires and everything done, let's go ahead and mix up our Chemical Guys hydro wash into the foam cannon, and then we're going to cannon it down, get her all soaped up and everything, and then we will do our wash. We're going to use the 1 bucket method with 5 different rags, so that way we don't cross-contaminate anything that we've already done. So give me a couple of seconds, and we're going to mix this up, and then we will be right back at it. just like that, ladies and gentlemen, she's cleaned up. Only thing I got left is dry off the wheels, tires, put some Armor All on them, and we're done. So let me tidy up in the garage a little bit, finish up with the wheels and tires, and then I'll get you a after shot of this detail. All right, so we have completed the 2026 Lyriq-V washing. As you can see, all of the pollen, all of the grime is now gone, and the shine is back at it. So not bad for someone who's not a professional detailer to get this car looking good for the weekend. So where should we take it? Drop it down in the comments. We thank you for staying with us throughout this video. And as always, if you made it to the end, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Our goal is to get this video to 1,000 views and 50 likes. Peace.